Welcome to Samhita's Top Videos. Best Gadgets for Men. 25 Cool Gift Ideas in 2021. For the true gadget lovers out there, fret no more, we have got you covered. From the iRobot Roomba to a premium cocktail machine, without forgetting the newest Apple Watch or some of the best true wireless earphones, we have compiled a list that should please even the most up-to-date tech geek out there. We all feel the need to buy something that makes this crazy time a little more bearable, since we can't travel, can't hang out with friends or family, or basically do anything that brings us joy. So, online shopping, here we come. The true tech aficionado doesn't need a pandemic to get him or her interested in the newest gadgets on the market. But for the rest of us, let's just say that we might need a little push. Once you discover all the ways you can use these little grown-up toys and learn how to get good use out of them, you'll be glad you invested the money. Once life goes back to the new normal we will all have to get adapted to, why not do it with a little more knowledge and fun? Some of these smart home widgets are simply brilliant, and once you dip your toes into this type of smart technology, you will never turn back, guaranteed. Let's take a closer look at 25 of the best gadgets you might want to buy right now. Number 1. iRobot Roomba 7 Plus. You might not think of cleaning as fun, but this cool little robot might change your mind. You can control it from your phone, and the robot will do all your dirty work. Literally. Now you have no more excuses, and your house will be germ-free as well. And it cleans itself too, so you really have no reason not to get this life-changing machine. Number 2. Bose Smart Sound Bar 300. Another solid choice from Bose. This awesome soundbar is one of the best available options on the market right now. With 4 full-range drivers, 2 ports, a central dome tweeter, this soundbar is also equipped with the built-in Google Assistant, Alexa, and Voice for Video tech. You can control your TV with the sound of your voice, and the quality of Bose is always optimal. Number 3. Leica M10 R Digital Rangefinder Camera. A splurge for sure, but if you love taking beautiful photos, it is definitely worth the investment. Not only easy to use, but its 40 megapixel sensor is also bringing your pictures to another dimension. It is compact and stylish, therefore easy to schlep around wherever you go. Features galore, you will never look back once you have discovered the world of Leica. Number 4. Klipsch T5 True Wireless Earphones. Just like their home speakers, the acoustics of those wireless earbuds are out of this world. Offering a crystal clear sound, they also provide you with 8 hours of battery power. They come with 6 pairs of ear tips that are comfortable, so you can use them for prolonged periods of time. The transparency feature is interesting to discover, and you will surely appreciate it. Number 5. Ring Stick-Up Camera. This easily mountable doorbell camera is definitely one of the most affordable gift options. You can sync it to your other devices for full protection. It provides you with 1080p HD video two-way talk and motion-activated notifications. The battery pack is easy to replace, so you don't need to take down your camera once you install it. For the price, you can get more than one. Number 6. Kodak Luma Portable Pocket Projector. Whether you are home or on the road, plug this little beauty into your compatible device and you are ready for movie night. Make any room your movie room, as the screen expands to 100 and it supports videos up to 1080p HD resolution through the USB, HDMI, or microSD inputs. Tap the top of the projector and your controls appear, so no more complicated menus and remotes. The future is here, and it looks lovely. Number 7. Bartesian Premium Cocktail Machine. If you're not the most talented mixologist out there but enjoy the occasional cocktail from the comfort of your home, this machine is made for you. Just buy the alcohol, and this cocktail machine will provide you with capsules that are measured to your preference. Pick your favorite cocktail, press mix, and this machine does its magic. That's it. It's easy to clean too. Number 8. Bose QuietComfort 35 to wireless headphones. For any music lovers, these noise cancellation headphones might be the best gift. You can listen to your music as loud as you want, or be on a work-related conference call without any noise interference. It is good for you, as well as for those around you. They connect to your phone via Bluetooth, and you can control your features through voice activation. They also have a long-lasting battery, which can easily last you all day. Number 9. Fitbit Inspire HR Fitness Tracker. One of the best-selling fitness trackers on the market right now, this sleek model is a cutie. Just like most fitness trackers, it monitors your heart rate, the number of calories you burn, and the distance you run or walk each day. It also tracks your sleep patterns, and you can go 5 days without having to charge it. Waterproof, you can also make and receive calls or texts and receive your calendar alerts. Number 10. Nintendo Classic Mini. If you love playing games now and then, this is such a cool throwback. It plugs into your TV and comes with 30 preloaded popular Nintendo games right on the console. You can remember the good old childhood days by playing any of the 3 Super Mario editions or The Legend of Zelda, among many other games. We cannot guarantee that you won't argue over the remote with your friends though.